welcome to Brenna's Bargains. Starting Tuesday, August 23rd, we'll have a penny list. Just remember, penny shopping is a secret. Don't ask where the pennies are. Alright, here's the official penny list. We have 9 items on the list. Alright, first on the list we have Polygrip, 2.2 ounces. Next up we have Fixodent, 1.4 ounces. Next up we have the Fixodent Scope Twin Pack, 2.0 ounce. Alright, we have the Kellogg's Cocoa Krispies, 12.6 ounce. We have the Reese's Ultimate Lovers Candy, 1.4 ounce. We have the Reese's Peanut Butter Lover. Okay, next up we have the 3 flowers. They're all penny. So the first one's a 1 count. Second one is $3. Third is red, white, and blue with the flag. Alright, and here's the little cheat sheet. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless.